A very good morning, dear students. Today we will see or we learn a grammar of this chapter number 5, Peter Goes Dog. Okay, in grammar we will see the adjectives, degree and orders. Okay, so first, what is an adjectives? What is an adjectives? Adjective is a word that describes a noun or a pronoun. Okay, it's also called a describing words. Noun क्या है? We have already known that. What is a noun? Nouns are naming things. Okay, nouns are naming words like person's name, place name, animal's name, things names. These are called nouns. Ajay, Suresh, Ramesh, bench, table, fan, Navsari, Surat, Ahmedabad. These are the called nouns. Okay, so nouns are naming words. And what is an adjectives? Adjectives, words that describes nouns are called describing words or adjectives. Okay, are called describing words. It's telling more about a noun. Okay, she is a girl, but she is a beautiful girl. Okay, telling us about a shape, quality, quantity. Okay, small, big, tall, handsome, beautiful, ugly, red, white, yellow, colors. Okay, these are called adjectives. These are called adjectives. Okay, we can see beautiful, ugly. Okay, shape, like a color. Okay, black, white, yellow. These are the colors. Basic shapes like oval, triangle, rectangle. Okay. Square, these shapes, these are called adjectives. These are called adjectives. Okay, so and let's move ahead and we talk about degrees. Degrees. Okay, have you got an idea what is an adjectives? Adjective is a word that describes a noun or a pronoun. Like I have a pen. I have a pen, but I have a red pen. So red, it describes the word pen. Pen, it's a noun. So which words describes a noun? It is called an adjective. Okay, I have a red pen. So red, it is an adjective. Okay, so now here degrees. So an adjective of quality changes its form when it's used to compare one noun with another. Okay, one noun with another noun. We have to compare. It is called a degree of comparison of an adjectives. It is called a degree of an adjectives. Okay, like he is taller than her. એ એના કરતા લાંબો છે. તેણીના કરતા લાંબો છે. So here we have to compare one thing with another. So in degree there are three types of degree. There are three types of degree. Okay, there are three degrees of comparison: positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Okay, remember the three degrees of comparison. And comparison શાનાથી થાય? Adjectives થી થાય. How can we compare one thing with another? Adjectives. Okay, like my house is big. My house is big, but her house is bigger than mine. So big, okay, it is an adjective, but bigger, એના કરતા મોટું છે. And that house is the biggest of in our colony. Okay, so biggest, big. So what is the big? Big, it is an adjective. And okay, so there are three types of comparison in adjective: positive, comparative and superlative. So you can also say there are three degrees of comparison: positive, comparative and superlative. Okay, let's see first a positive degree. What is a positive degree? Okay, so here the positive degree is used to refer to one object, person or place comparison. Okay, so it is a simple sentence. There is a no comparison in positive degree. Okay, I have a pen, I have a red pen, so there is no comparison. Okay, my father is intelligent, there is no comparison. Okay, Navsari is a big city, there is no comparison. But I say Surat is the bigger than Navsari. Surat is bigger than Navsari. So we compare one city with another. But in positive degree there is no comparison, simple adjectives used. Okay, like for example, she has a big house. She has a big house. So her house is compared with any other house? No. So she has a big house. So big it is a comparative. Big is an adjective. It is an adjective, and there is no comparison with her. Okay, so she has a big house. So it is a positive degree. Let's move ahead. The next degree is a comparative degree. Okay, the comparative degree refers to a greater of adjective as compared to the positive degree. जो पॉजिटिव डिग्री છે એના કરતા મોટું, બરાબર છે, એક કરતા મોટું અથવા એક કરતા નાનું એ બતાવવા માટે આપણે we have to compare two things, two person, two animals, two place in a comparative degree. Okay, we are talking about only two in a comparative degree. For example, her house is bigger than my house. Her house is bigger than my house. So in this sentence we have to compare one things with another. Her house is bigger than my house. This is my house and that is her house. So we have to compare one thing with another. Okay, it is a comparative degree. Now, so what happened with the superlative degree? The superlative degree refers to the greater degree of adjective. So it is a superlative, superman, superlative degree. So it is compared with all. For example, it is used to compare more than two objects, people or places. More than two. It is used when we use it is more than two person, two place, two animal, two things. We use at that time a superlative degree. Okay, Ram is a tall boy. Ram is a tall boy. Okay, so there is a comparison? No, there is no comparison. So it is a positive degree. Ram is taller than Syam. So here we have to compare two boys, Ram and Syam. So it is a comparative degree. But Mohan is the tallest boy in the class. Mohan is the tallest. So tallest. So Mohan compared to all the boys, okay, in the class. So it is a superlative degree, more than two persons. Okay, so here his house is the biggest of all. His house is the biggest of all. Okay, so now how can we change adjective in a comparative and superlative? Rules for the comparative and superlative adjectives. The first one is we add er and est to most one or two syllable words. Okay, one or two syllable words that end in consonant. First example, like T-A-L-L. L is a consonant. We are already familiar with the vowels and consonants. A-E-I-O-U. It is a vowel, and the rest of all consonant. So L is a consonant. So we have to just what is our first rule? First rule says we have to add er to the adjective to make it comparative. So what is the comparative of tall? The comparative is T-A-L-L-E-R. It is a comparative form of the adjective tall. And what is the superlative of tall? Is tallest. Spelling mistake is here. Okay, T-A-L-L-E-S EST, tallest. So we have to add ER and EST to most one or two syllable words that end in a consonant. Okay, ER in comparative, EST in superlative. Okay, so tall, taller, tallest. Okay, tall, taller, tallest. The second one is when the positive ends in a consonant plus y. Okay, positive ends in a consonant plus y. We drop the y and add IER and IEST. For example, LUCKY, last letter is y. Okay, and before y, k is a consonant. That's why cancel y and IER. Okay, cancel y and IER in comparative and cancel y and IEST in superlative. Like lucky, luckier, luckiest. Lucky, luckier, luckiest. Okay. So this is the rule number 2. Okay. Now the rule number 3. When the positive is long, means that is the word of 2 or more syllables, we add more and most before the adjectives to form comparative and superlative degrees. One syllable word means एक ही बार में बोला जाता है, tall, big, small, large. So just we have to add ER or EST. Okay, lucky. If the second, what is the second rule? Second rule is if one syllable word or a two syllable word which is end with Y, but for before Y is a consonant, the last letter is Y, the second last letter is a consonant. So consonant plus Y, so cancel Y and IER in comparative and IEST in superlative. What is the third rule? If the word is very big, जो वर्ड्स मोटो होय એને બોલવામાં આપણે અટકી બોલવું પડતું હોય, like a beautiful, we have to write beautiful. So it is a trisyllable word. That's why we have to add more and most. In a comparative we have to add more, and in superlative we have to add most before the adjective, not after. Before the adjective. Okay, like beautiful. So what is the comparative of beautiful? More beautiful. What is the superlative of beautiful? Most beautiful. Okay, this is the rule number 3. Okay, so it is enough for today. If you don't understand, watch my video again. Okay, there is no homework, and in our next period or next lecture we will see the textual explanation. Thank you very much and have a good day.